Hello friends, welcome back to the new tutorial of JavaScript. Today we are going to learn how to update and delete the cookie in JavaScript. Those who haven't subscribed my channel yet, please to subscribe my channel, and if you like the video, please do like, share and comment on my video. So let's get started. So here to set or update the cookie, what we have to do is we have to use document.cookie, name of that cookie, right? Here my cookie and the new value, right? Just copy this one, so I will just use the expiry date or the same also here. So let's copy this one and try to manipulate this role. Okay, so here we have this one expiry date, so I will like add this one the full path. Okay, so here we go with this one. Just copy and add it over here. Okay, so currently it's like Rajnikant over here. Now I will add the John Doe over here, right? So let's see. So it remove this one. Okay, just copy this one and let's check this one, it is updating or not. So let's save this, enter. So name John Doe, right? So name should be John Doe right now, previously it's Rajnikant, right? So let's check and update it if it is updated or not. So let's have a look on that one also. So where we have the name, is there any search over here? Name. Okay, so here you can see that the name is John Doe, right? So we are successfully update the cookie. So this is how we are able to update the cookie with the name and the new value. Okay, the same thing. If we want to delete that cookie, right? So here you can see that here we are setting up the expiry date, right? So when it will expire, whether it to be 1 day, 2 day, 3 day. So whenever you want to delete that cookie after a particular interval of time, or today you want to delete that, just you need to pass the date or the time interval of it. It will expire or it will delete that cookie at that time. Okay, so this is how we are able to update or delete the cookie in JavaScript. Any doubt, any query in that, let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching this video. Have a great day.